So going on with our cash budgeting assignment, I'm going to show you how to do step 9, and that would be requirement number 5, which is a set of what-if analysis for your text. There are 4 parts, A, B, C, and D, and let me go to the Excel file to show you. So we should already have completed cash budget 2, which is requirement 2 per your text. And you should have already answered number 3 and 4. And I'm skipping over to these what if worksheets. So per my instructions in Canvas, I would like you to make copies of this CashBud 2 worksheet into CashBud A, B, C, and D. So just make direct copies. Just go, let me show you again. Control click or right click and go move or copy, and you would check the create copy, and then you can make a copy of the CashBud 2 and then rename it. I'm just going to cancel because I already copied it. And so I'm going to show you how to do cash budget D scenario. And if you have your text in front of you, you can turn to the appropriate page, and under requirement number 5D, it tells you that the company is offering a much higher cash discount for their customers, so to attract them to pay their invoices faster. So the cash discount is going to be 10%, just a really big jump from 5%. And they expect, instead of 50% of the customers will pay well, not 50% of the customers, 50% of their receipts they'll receive, instead of 50%, they'll get 85%, which is much higher, meaning their customers will pay more of the invoices. And then the next month would be 8%. So just directly input 8. And then the following month would become 5%. And then, in fact, the percent uncollectible would decrease to 2%, meaning they would have improved their uncollectibles to 2% only instead of 6%. So with anything, there's always a cost, because there's going to be a cash discount cost to the company. And let's go down here and see if their cash improved. And so it looks like they will not have any negative cash balance in February and March. And we can go back to cash budget 2 to compare. They had negative balances in February and March, but now if we improve their collections, meaning their customers pay more faster, then their cash balance would much improve. So in a realistic setting, if a company increase their cash discount by so much, you would actually expect their sales to probably go up. But since this is a static question, you can assume that this is not going to change. And you can analyze why they have a much more positive balance in the end, and decide whether you're going to pick option D. As long as you give appropriate and logical reasoning, I would accept your answers. There's no one correct answer here, so feel free to be creative and jot down what you notice, and share your findings on the forums, and ask questions if you're stuck. Thank you.